Welcome to Engage Math, Pre-Algebra, Lesson 20, Problem 3. So relations are just something that relates an X and a Y value or an input and an output value, but there's no guarantee that each input leads to just one output when we have a relation. When that relation is such that each input, each X, leads to only one output, one Y, or whatever the variable happens to be that we're using, then we have a function. So let's look at each one. If you look at A, hey, it looks like there's no X that leads to a different Y. So yes, we have a function. The X doesn't repeat. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, it looks like for B, I'm on B right now. It looks like, yes, it's a function. The X never repeats. So once again, yes, we have a function. Now let's look here. Okay, -1 leads to 3, that's no problem. Oh, but look right here. 0 leads to 1, but 0 can also give you an output of -2. So the x repeats. This is not a function because the same x of 0 can lead to two different y values. Okay, let's look at this graph. By the vertical line test, there would never be a vertical line that would ever touch that graph more than once. So yes, we have a function. That's a fancy way of saying the x would never repeat. But look at this graph. Every time a vertical line touches the graph twice, which is an infinite number of times, that means that the same x value leads to two different y values, which means we do not have a function. Thanks for joining us today at Engaged Math.